So now let's find back principal plane. So as you know, the same material with refractive index and back principal plane is this surface, back side of the lens. So now the question is that what is the back principal plane of the lens? So as you remember, the equation that we have is that H2 times N2F. So we should be very careful about this. N2F. So here the refractive index is N2, so we have to put N2 times F and the rest of the equation. So for the focal length, we calculated before. So we plug in numbers from this imaging system into the effective focal length equations, and we get to 89.82. So now, in order to find H2, we have to put those numbers into this equation, and we get to this value. So N2 is 1 times 89.82 times N 1.5 minus N1, which is 1.33, times distance is D, 50, divided by R1, 100, times 1.5. So H2 is negative 5.09. So it's on the negative sign. It has a negative sign. So from this surface, you should move into this direction. So we find the back principal plane relative to this surface also.